I'm to do this one. It says it's called the Stardom. I'm not sure what that is, but I can tell this has the extra. I bet it has a 3-car garage version. And this particular one has a workshop, which I know was one of the things that could work for Bob. So, covered front porch. I really like this feature. I like it when there's a covered front porch. I'm putting all these big, tall doors in. Probably should have washed that off, get my COVID off my hands. So there's a foyer here. Front room, this is not a bedroom, so this is like, it's got a ceiling fan pre-wire. This may be an office. Definitely has a ceiling fan pre-wire. It looks like they're pre-wiring for a couple of speakers. Little closet in here. And then the half bath. And man, I love that back door. That's going to be that big slider. Interesting thing is that's not a load-bearing wall, so be easy to add in later. Just good to know if you didn't want to pay for it to start out with. So there's a little, looks like this might be a maybe a little coffee bar. Looks like there might, oh, and then maybe some built-ins next to the fireplace. And there's little niches on both sides there. I'm gonna stand over here. It's a nice big open area. God, I love those. I love that big open. So that is obviously going to be the island. So the kitchen is going to be back on this side. And then I'm going to walk and figure out what's over here behind. I think the master bedroom is going to be behind that. And I know with all the floor joists it's kind of hard to see, but that's going to be the kitchen area there. You come in, looks like an office, breakfast bar or something, and then your fireplace. And then this looks to be like this might be the master. All insulated because it's attached to the outside. Big opening. Now this is real interesting. I don't know if this would work for you, but that is a big opening. Maybe French doors, because there's an opening there to go into your bathroom. Again, not a curbless shower, and they're just doing the standard shower with a little dressing area next to it, and double vanities here. I'm gonna try and see so you can kind of see where the plumbing goes. Looks like there's going to be a little linen closet right here. And then across from the linen closet, the toilet room. They have a little note here. It says need 36 inches. So I'm hoping that means they're widening that. And then an opening into your closet. And the closet starts here. And it goes back into the corner. And comes back around. So master on this side, I'm thinking this might be a dual master plan. I'm not familiar. I didn't look at this because this wasn't one that you mentioned, but it looks a lot like the one that we were looking at in at Bethpage at Creekside with the big patio outside. I love the fact that's going to be open, and I want this house. I want that big slider. I'm kind of a big fan of the slider. So another bathroom, bedroom, smaller closet. So this is just probably just a second bedroom. The closet's definitely smaller. They're putting pocket doors in those openings because that's for a pocket door. They've got the trail there. So that might be a pocket door that they're putting in the master. They just haven't framed it in yet. It's going to be a standard shower with what looks like just one sink. That's, I guess, because it's a second bedroom. There's a closet here, like a linen closet maybe, and then another not too bad looking closet, and then a toilet room. Again, 36-inch openings all the way through, much improved. There's a framework, so that's how we know that that's going to be a Yeah, pocket door in there. Now, one thing in the kitchen that I see that's very interesting, I guess this is the dining area. Yeah. So they've done a double coffered ceiling, and then there's a light way up in there. Bunch of can lights. So that would be, this is the dining area, and it sets back a little bit. I don't know if I can really show. I'll show you one here. So you can kind of see here where here to here there's like an indentation. So that's setting back again. And then the kitchen is back in this way. So it's a fairly nice big open room. I hope you're enjoying these. This is my first time ever doing videos like this. It's like this one comes with a banana peel. So then we have an entrance into the back of the house. Another room back here, but it's not attached to a bathroom. And this one says it's missing a wall and a door, so I'm not quite sure. Oh, wait, this is by far the largest laundry room I think I've ever seen. This laundry room's got to be at least 10 feet deep, 8 foot wide. It's a good 8 foot wide. It has can lights in it. So the panels there, you've got all this room. I bet they're going to put like some little doggy thing in here. And then the washer and dryer. And I guess this would be like a coat closet inside your back door. Drop zone inside the back door. And then this one has fairly decent workshop in it. And another closet. Hot water heater. Stuff. So it's called the Starwood. We'll have to look at that one.